All over the world, authorities use fingerprints to match the unique prints of criminal defendants to evidence. One defendant attempted a unique legal challenge to fingerprints in United States v. Baines. Robert Baines and others drove from Pennsylvania to Arizona to pick up illegal drugs. As two women sat in the car, ready for the return trip, Baines approached the trunk. When the trunk was open, the women couldn't see Baines but could feel him adding and shifting items around. Then the women drove away. Law enforcement stopped the women's car, discovering marijuana and a black duffel bag with 2 guns and magazines. In the criminal case, the prosecution had ample evidence of Baines's drug crimes, but not for Baines's crimes that related to firearms. But the prosecution had fingerprint evidence tying Baines to the weapons. The court granted Baines's request for a hearing about the admissibility of the government's expert testimony. During the hearing, the state employee who analyzed the fingerprints on the magazine, Mr. Fullerton, testified that he received training from the FBI, periodically underwent proficiency exams, and always received perfect scores. An FBI agent also testified. Agent Meagher stated that fingerprinting had an error rate of 1 in 11 million. When asked about scientific studies, Meagher didn't provide any, but referenced professional, not scientific, publications. Meagher also discussed the process for analyzing prints known as ACE-V, which stood for Analysis, Comparison, Evaluation, and Verification. At trial, the judge allowed testimony. Fullerton testified a latent fingerprint on the magazine matched Baines's known fingerprint. A jury convicted Baines, who appealed to the 10th Circuit, arguing the judge shouldn't have admitted the expert testimony.